Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 123 All Knowledge. Today we will write 10 lines on the crow in English. So let's start. If you like my video, so please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to more videos. The crow. Our first line is: the crow is a common bird. Our next line is: it is black in color. Our next line is: it has two legs. Next line is: it has two wings. If you like my video, so please do subscribe to my channel. Our next line is: it has a black, sharp beak. Our next line is: it lives on the tree. It lives on trees. Our next line is: it is a clever bird. Our next line is: it caws loudly. Our next line is: it eats insects, nuts, seeds, fruits, eggs, etc. Our last line is: it is found everywhere. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.